This video is going to be uploaded a bit later than normal, and that's because it's about this thing that I've 3D printed, and it's a milk carton, and it's taken almost, I'll show you on screen there, it's taken almost 20 hours to print, and it's been going all night, so just thought I'd make a video about it, and it's all well. So 3D printers are actually quite a lot slower than you'd think. You can also kind of see through that hole there. That is hollow. And I've also done a time lapse of this printing as well, so I'll show you that now. So that was a time lapse, and I've actually got to make another one of these as well because I need two. And also for that time lapse, I might try and get like a clock in the background or maybe up on screen to show like the time it's actually taking, because in a time lapse like it's only 20 seconds long, but it's actually something that took nearly 20 hours.